If your PC's front audio panel isn't working, here is the solution. First, let's go to the taskbar and right-click this speaker icon, this. Right-click, click where it says sound, and this small window will open. If we go to playback, well, sees this window. These are the audio outputs available on our PC. Here is my monitor appears, but my headphones aren't listed, even though they are plugged into the front panel. That's because the front panel is disabled. Enabling the front panel is simple. Go to the search bar, type Realtek, and this app called Realtek Audio Console should appear. Click it and this window will open. This is the window that let us enable the front panel. If this window doesn't appear, you likely lack drivers or have outdated motherboard drivers. Updating them is simple. Open a Google window. In my case, since it's a gigabyte, I'll search for my board's drivers. You should enter your motherboard brand. Mine is a B450. I'll type driver so it takes me to the drivers tab. Click it and the drivers we need is the Realtek HD audio driver. Just download and install it, and once the driver is installed, these windows will appear. Sometimes you'll be prompted to reboot after installing the drivers, and once they're installed, just open the tab and go to the device advanced settings. Here's what we need to do. As you can see, here is the rear and front panels of my PC, but as you can see, even if I click, nothing works because they are disabled. To enable it, just click this option, which says Disable Box and Dialog. And as you can see, the front panel is now enabled. Another option I recommend is to click here. This lets your speaker or audio play independently. Once we close this window and return to the taskbar where it says sounds. As we can see in playback, the headphones connected to the front panel now appear. That's all. Thanks for watching and see you next time.